Hello and welcome to Podcasting Made Easy, our online course that teaches you all the essential steps needed to become a podcaster. By the end of this course, you will have your own podcast made up on your channel. So how do you do it? Using what we call our prep approach. You plan your podcast, record your podcast, edit your podcast, publish your podcast, and then, very importantly, promote your podcast. And we show you how to do all that in step-by-step instructions. We show you the equipment you need. We show you how to think about the name of your podcast. We show you how to put up the visuals on a channel. We show you how to decide what channel to use. We show you the recording equipment you need to use. Then we show you how to script it, how to edit it, and then finally how to save it and get it up and out there to the world. You want to find out more? Get in touch. I'm Aileen O'Meara, professional radio producer and podcaster, and I bring a lot of my own practical knowledge from making radio and podcasts over the years. And very much the approach we have is in a practical way. Every single module gives you instructions, but also gives you assignments to do before you move on to the next stage. And once you do those assignments along with me on the course, you will, I guarantee, have a podcast by the end of that course. If you're interested in finding out more, we can send you a preview of the first few modules. Send us an email to the address below. I'm Aileen O'Meara. Thanks for watching.